The 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle occupies a unique position in muscle car history, representing the third generation of the model as it navigated the evolving landscape of federal safety and emissions regulations. Owners of this classic machine should prepare for dedicated maintenance, particularly concerning rust, which remains a primary threat to the rocker panels, fenders, and trunk areas of these body-on-frame vehicles, necessitating diligent cleaning and waxing routines. When considering the powertrain, especially if equipped with the desirable big block engines like the 454 V8, cooling system management is paramount, as these engines are prone to overheating. Proactive upgrades to the radiator and water pump are often recommended, alongside routine tuning of the period-specific carburetor system to maintain reliability and drivability. Electrically, owners should be attentive to aging wiring harnesses, especially around the steering column, and should prioritize keeping battery terminals free of corrosion to prevent charging or starting glitches. Despite the regulatory constraints that tempered its raw power compared to earlier models, the driving experience of the 1974 Chevelle, particularly in sportier trims like the Laguna S3, still provides a substantial, nostalgic connection to the era, balanced by a suspension that often offers a more compliant ride than its hard-edged predecessors, making it a rewarding, though maintenance-conscious, classic to own. The 1974 model year represented a key stratification within the Chevelle lineup, moving away from the hard-edged muscle car identity toward offering distinct levels of value and luxury, clearly defined by the trim hierarchy. The base level evolved, with the Malibu becoming the traditional entry point, while the Malibu Classic was introduced as the new luxury-oriented top-tier model for that segment, distinguished by features like a grid-pattern die-cast grille and often featuring a vinyl roof. In contrast, the Laguna S3 Coupe existed as the dedicated, sophisticated sporty choice, inheriting a more aggressive visual package that included the signature body-colored urethane nose designed to look aerodynamic and conceal the 5 mph bumper system, making it visually distinct from the more formal look of the Malibu Classic. Furthermore, the Laguna S3 generally came standard with sportier equipment like steel-belted radial tires and a specialized suspension, and it was the only body style offered for the Laguna that year, marking it as a niche, lower-volume model compared to the more common Malibu coupe, sedan, and wagon variants.